At the University of New Hampshire, the world knows us, not just as a flagship research university, but one with nationally recognized research credentials and cutting-edge testing facilities that companies like Nike, Apple, Dell, and others are inspired to use. Facilities like the largest wind tunnel of its kind in the world, and an interoperability lab that's one of the world's leading test spaces for data and networking products. We're UNH's College of Engineering and Physical Sciences, a top-tier research college with a globally renowned faculty, rigorous academics, and exciting opportunities for students at every level. Here, you'll roll up your sleeves and solve problems. You'll design manufacturing robots or IoT devices, write hybrid cloud applications, or invent new technologies the world desperately needs. And through partnerships with groups like NOAA and NASA, you'll advance your understanding of everything from oceans to distant galaxies. You can also dive into research from day one in our Innovation Scholars Program, a first-year guided research experience culminating in an opportunity to showcase your work. At UNH's College of Engineering and Physical Sciences, the world knows us. Join us and let the world get to know you, too.